Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Let's move on to the next step of learning how to factorize algebraic expressions. Today's session is going to be very interesting and elaborate for you. So here we go. We will learn how to factorize. Factorize simply means breaking up the algebraic expressions so that we can put them in brackets, leaving the common term out. So let's look at the first sum. It says 4a plus 10. We take the first term, 4a. Let's break it down into its prime numbers. So it is 2 into 2 into a. This is what this is constituted of. Let's take the next one, 10. Let's break it down into its prime numbers. Correct? It says 2 into 5. Now let's pick out or let's circle the commonest one. So we see 1, 2 here and another 2 here. So 1, 2 is common. A set of 2 is common. We write it here. And we open the bracket. What is left behind over here? 2a. We pick up this plus sign from the question. And what is left here? 5. So the uncommon terms move inside the bracket. In the previous chapters, remember, we had multiplied the outside term with the 2 inside term. Now, we are simply exactly reversing this technique. Come on, let's move on to the next one. We take the first term. We break it down into its prime numbers. We take the second term. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. The common terms out here are 5. Keep it outside the bracket. Inside the bracket, what is left will come. Pick up the sign in middle from the question. And over here we have 3. Simple? Very simple. Let's move on to the next one. 9a is equal to 3 into 3 into a. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. We have 3 in common. We write it. Open the bracket. The uncommon one, 3a plus what's left, 7. And that's your answer. That's how you would factorize this. Next one. Take 6b is equal to 2 into 3 into b. We have 3. So we simply write 3 into 1. So we have this in common. Write it out. Open the bracket, 2b, what's left? 1, so plus 1. Shall we? Remember to always box your answer. 10b is equal to 2 into 5 into b. 5 is equal to 5 into 1. Here we have 5 in common. Write it outside. 2b inside plus 1. As here we have 1. Next one. 25b is equal to 5 into 5 into B. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 5 is common. 5 outside. 5B plus 2. Isn't it very simple, children? Now let's move on to a little different type where you have a subtraction sign in the middle. Same procedure. 5 into 3 into C. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. We have 1 5 common. Write it outside the bracket. 3C. We pick up the minus sign from the question and 5. Here we go. 12C is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 into C. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. We have this in common. We have another pair in common, which is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So we will write 4 outside. Inside we write 3C. Pick up the minus sign from the question, and this is again, here we go. Let's check if our answer is correct. 4 into 3 is 12C. Here we have 12C in the question. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. We have 8. Alright? Next one. 8A is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into A. 24 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Alright? So we have 1 2 in common. We have another 2 in common. We have another set of 2 in common, which makes it 8. 8. What remains in the bracket is what is left out. So we have this A. What is left out in common? We have 3. What is the sign we put in the middle? Minus. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 4D is made up of 2 into 2 into D. We have one set common. Write it down. We have another set common. Write it down. Multiply. So we write 4 on the outside. What is left is 2. We bring the minus sign in the middle. And we have only D left here. So here we go. Next sum. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 4D can be broken down or factorized into 2 into 2 into D. What is common? 2. We have 2 on the outside. We have 3. We have 2D, and in the middle we bring the minus sign from the question, and here you go. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 12D is equal to 2 into 3 into No, let's put it as 2 into 2, 4, into 3, 12, and D. 2 in common, 1, 3 in common, alright, which is equal to 6. Write 6 on the outside, 3 inside, minus from the question, and we're left with 2D. 2D right here. So let's check. 2 3s are 6. Oh, sorry. 6 3s are 18. And 6 2s are 12. Alright? Are you finding it simple, children? We have one more out here. So, six A is equal to 2 into 3 into A. We have 4B, which is equal to 2 into 2 into B. What's common? 2. 2 on the outside. 3A inside the bracket, plus sign from the question, and 2B. We must focus at one term at a time. 7C. So what are the factors of 7? 7 and 1 into C. What about 14D? We have 7 into 2 into D. What's common? 7. 7 on the outside. You either write 1C or we only write C plus from the question and 2D. We have 7C again. Oh, it's the same sound. Alright, children, that's all for right now. Come on, let's look at a word problem. A student attempts to factorize the following expressions. In each case, explain if she is right or wrong. If she is wrong, write down the correct answer. Alright, so let's factorize this. So 5 is equal to 5 into 1 and 10B is equal to 2 into 5 into B. We have this 5 in common, so we bring it out. On the inside, we will have 1 left. We pick up the minus sign from the question and we have 2B. So that's how it should look like. Is this correct, children? No. So she is wrong. So she is wrong. Got it, children? Next one. Let's look at this. 24B is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Alright, so we have 24 into B. We have 12A out here, so we have 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 into A. What are the common ones? We have 2 once, we have 2 the second time, and we have 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we have 12 in common. So we write 12 on the outside. Okay. And then we have, what are we left with? 2B. So we write 2B minus, what do we have here? We simply have A over here. So has she factorized this completely? No, she hasn't. Let's find out. 12 2s are 24. Yes, we have 24B. 12 into A, 12A. We have it right here. So again, the student who is trying to learn factorization, she has done that incorrectly again. So she is wrong. Alright, let's check. 27A is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into A. We have 27B, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into B. So 1 3 in common, second 3 in common, third. So all the numbers are common. So I'll straight away write 27 out here. We have A plus B inside. So here she is correct. So she is correct over here. Let's factorize a few more expressions. So here we have 2A, which can be factorized as 2 into A. We have 3BX, factorized as 3 into B into X. 4CX, which can be factorized into, I'll keep it 4 over here instead of breaking it down into its prime numbers. So what's common? Let me do it the other way. So 2 into 2 into C into X. If you see, we have a 2 over here and we have a 2 over here. But just because we do not have a 2 over here, we can say that it is not common in the entire expression. It's not common amongst the other monomials. So 2 cannot be brought out of the bracket. Okay, so let's find what's common. Oh, I forgot to put an X out here. So we have X here, and X here. So I'll bring the X out over here. Rest, I don't see anything uncommon, anything common. So what I put in the bracket is 2A. Pick up the addition sign from the question, 3B, and 2 into 2, 4C. That's your answer. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here we have 7AB, which is equal to 7 into A into B, 8BC, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into B into C. What do I have common? 7, not common. 2, not there in the previous monomial. Do I have A over here? This A? No, I don't have A over here. Do I have B? Yes, I have a pair of B out here, which I will keep outside my bracket, and inside the bracket goes 7A minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8B. No, 8C. B is common, so I have this 8C. Let's move to the next one. Alright children, now let's look at this one. 3PQ is equal to 3 into P into Q. We have 4Q, which is equal to 2 into 2 into Q. We have 5QS, which is equal to 5 into Q into S. So what's common? Here Q, Q and Q. So we keep the q outside. In goes 3p minus 4 plus 5s. What's up with this? This one is an extra m by mistake, so we just cancel this out. 2mn is equal to 2 into m into n. 3nr is equal to 3 into n into r. And we have 5np, which is equal to 5 into n into p. What's common? N here, here and here. So n goes out. 2m minus 3r plus 5p. Let's see what we have here. 4ax is equal to 2 into 2 into a into x. Then we have 3x square, which is equal to 3 into x into x. So we have x and this x common. So x outside. And we have 4a plus 3x inside. Here we have 4ab, which is equal to 2 into 2 into a into b. And 3b square is 3 into b into b. We have 1b from here and another from here in common, so b outside. 4a minus 3b. Let's go to this one. 12x square y is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into x into x into y. 8xy square is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y into y. So 2 common, 2 common. We have x in common, only one x in common, and we have y in common, only one y in common. And what is uncommon is 3x minus, we have this 2 and y, that is 2y. So let's come down to this. 2 into 2 is 4xy. 3x minus 2y. Let's move to the next one. 10ab square is equal to 2 into 5 into a into b into b. 25a square b is equal to 5 into 5 into a into b. So this 5 and this 5 common. We have 1a common. We have 1b in common. What we are left with 2b, and we are left with 5a. The minus sign. Seven ax is equal to 7 into a into x. 14ay is equal to 7 into 2 into a into y. 21az is equal, that's a z, 7 into 3 into a into z. So obviously we have this 7 in common, we have a in common, What I'm left with is x, which goes inside the bracket, followed by a minus sign. I'm left with 2y, and I'm left with 3z with a plus sign. (30ax square is equal to 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. All three are prime numbers into a into x into x. We have 6bx square, which says 2 into 3 into b into x into x. And we have 9cx square is equal to 3 into 3 into c into x into x. So, we don't have a 2, or all three of them don't have a 2. The last one doesn't have a 2, so you cannot bring 2 outside the bracket. 5 not present in all three. We have 3 here, 2 and 3. So, we have one common 3 out here. Okay. Do we have a in common? No. Do we have x in common? Yes. 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. So I'll bring the x out. Do I have anything to BC? Nothing else. So I have this, which is 2 5s are 10 ax. No. 1 minute. I have an x, another x in common. So this becomes x square. So now what I'm left with inside the bracket is 2 5s are 10, a followed by a minus sign, 2b followed by a plus sign, and 3c. So here it is, children. As per my suggestion, children, you could definitely write these sums, copy these down in your notebooks and try doing them. And once you've done it, run the video, play it and see whether you followed the steps and are you arriving to the same answer as mine. This will help you gain marks on your working, as well as obviously your answer comes out to be more precise when you work it out. That's all for today. Thank you so much and God bless you.